Built-in venues cover the big global books, but most users want their local bookmaker on the dashboard too. Arbs adds any sportsbook on the planet through the calibration wizard. Calibration teaches Arbs how to scrape any bookmaker page. You click through the page once, the wizard captures the CSS selectors, and from then on the scraper reads odds straight from the DOM, exactly like a person would. Plus venue at the top of the arena. Plus any bookmaker, the new venue dialog opens. Type a name for the bookmaker. We will call this one Demo Sportsbook. The label shows up everywhere, in the arena, the portfolio, and the bank. Type the base URL of the live odds page on your bookmaker, not the home page. The wizard navigates from this URL when calibration starts. Currency, USD by default. Change it if your bookmaker pays out in euros or pounds. Conversion to your reporting currency happens automatically. Create venue. The new building appears in the arena and the venue panel pops open. Status tab is open by default. The calibration controls live on the Settings tab, so let's hop over. Settings tab. Down here, the calibration block. The orange Open Calibration button launches a separate browser window pointed at your bookmaker, where the wizard does its real work. But before touching your real site, click the green Watch Full Example link. It runs an animated walkthrough on a fake bookmaker, so you know exactly what each step looks like first. Login fields, cookies banner, navigate, tracking, execution, confirmation, and bank. 16 steps with a fake cursor walking through every click. Let's run it. Step 1, click the Login button. Opens the form on the bookmaker. Username field, auto-filled at runtime from your saved credentials. Password field, same idea, pulled from the encrypted credential store. Sign in, submits the form. You are now logged into the bookmaker. Custom step example, for extras like cookies banners. You name the step, write the prompt, click the element. The wizard stitches it into the flow. Use this page, locks in the page where every following step happens. Match row, watch what happens when the cursor lands. Oops, the page changed. Clicking the match row navigated into the match details page because the whole row is wrapped in a link. Any click inside it can fire the navigation, and that is the most common gotcha of the calibration flow. And the same thing can happen when you click a team name or an odds number, since those cells are usually inside the same wrapping link. It is not your fault, it is just how most bookmaker pages are built. The wizard expects this. Press your browser back button to return to the match list, then continue from the next step. Each time the navigation fires, just press back again. The calibrator remembers your progress, you do not start over. The warning auto closes after 70 seconds, or sooner if you dismiss it. Once it clears, the wizard returns to the match list and the next tracking step is queued. Team name tells the scraper where each team's name lives in the row. Odds number, click the digits, not the box around them for precision. League header tags every match underneath with the league name. Open bet slip, how the wizard expands the slip when it starts collapsed. Stake input, where the engine types the bet amount on a real bet. Place bet, the button that confirms and places the wager. Accept new odds, for the pop-up that fires after place bet. Bet confirmed, the success message that confirms the bet went through. Balance display, so Arbs can track and verify your account funds. Calibration complete, that is the whole flow on a fake bookmaker. 16 steps. Login, custom step, navigate, tracking, execution, confirmation, bank. Each one teaches the scraper something specific about the page. That is how Arbs adopts any bookmaker. Plus venue, fill the dialog, Watch the example once, then run open calibration on your real site. Next up, the deep dive. Real calibration on a live site, healing broken selectors, and adding bet types beyond monoline.